Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on Facebook dating notifications. So first of all, open the Facebook application and you will just log in or move in the right bottom corner menu. And here you will see in your shortcuts, just tap on it, see more. So here if you just can't find the dating app, you will be just go on the Safari or any of browser and just on Google just search on Facebook dating app. Just tap on it as well and just tap on it to open, and now you will be just welcome to Facebook dating and just tap on it to get it start. And it will says that Facebook dating is unavailable because in my country it is not available. But if you just finding that notifications settings in dating Facebook app, simply I will just attach the screenshot. You will see, just go in the settings of notifications and turn it on all the 3 or 4 settings to get notifications from Facebook dating app. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.